Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create link for my WhatsApp number. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your browser here and you will go into this website where it says create.wa.link. Okay, and then basically you will scroll down until you see this option, create a free wa.link. Okay, so tap on it and then you need to enter your phone number here. Okay, so I will just enter my phone number here, and then you will basically make a call to action or custom message. So you can just join me on WhatsApp. Okay, and then basically you will tap here generate my wall link, and then it will basically make a link. So we just have to wait here until it makes the link for us. So here you can say that this is your WhatsApp short link, and we will scroll down and we will tap on copy link here. And now let's suppose we want to send this link to somebody. So I will open up messenger here and I will open up this chat here, and then I will just paste the chat here. Okay, like this one. And when someone basically tap on this link, he will be redirected to the chat box with me on WhatsApp. Okay, so we just wait here for the link to be appeared, and then when you tap on this link here, when someone tap on this link here, he will be redirected to me with the chat on WhatsApp. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.